इनिशियल जो मेरी बड़ी पोजीशन थी वो यहाँ पे लगी हुई थी, यहाँ पे तो बहुत माइनस पोजीशन थी और वही आई थिंक मुझे न्यूज़ भी आ गई है और न्यूज़ में जो है वो अराउंड जो है मार्केट यहाँ से बाय साइड पे जा चुकी है। अगर आप ये यहाँ से शेयर करूँ तो आप यहाँ पे चेक भी कर सकते हैं कि ये मैंने इसको ब्रेक इवन कर दिया है। अभी तकरीबन 75 पिप्स जो है वो प्रॉफिट में भी जा रही है ट्रेड से, ठीक है। सो इसका जो एसएल था वो बिल्कुल इस कैंडल की लो के नीचे था, मतलब इसके नीचे जो है अराउंड 17 पिप्स का एसएल था। तो अभी आप लोग इसमें पार्शियल किस तरह क्लोज कर सकते हो, ट्रेड्स को मैनेज किस तरह करते हैं, यहाँ पर क्लिक करते हैं। लेट्स से अगर आप 50% इसको क्लोज करना चाह रहे हैं तो 55 सेंट के ऊपर आप इसको यहाँ पे क्लोज करके क्लोज बाय मार्केट जो आप है आप यहाँ पे इसको मेरा जो इसका पॉइंट था वो यही था कि अगर मार्केट यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं मेरी दोनों पोजीशंस लगी हुई हैं। अब इनमें से जो है वो एक पोजीशन जो है आई थिंक उसको क्लोज कर देते हैं, ये वाली इसको डिलीट करके कर देते हैं और नीचे वाली पोजीशन को भी यहाँ पे डिलीट कर देते हैं। सिर्फ अभी न्यूज़ है, आई डिडंट नो कि यहाँ पे न्यूज़ भी आने वाली है, लेकिन ये है कि इसमें मैंने आपको जैसे पहले भी बताया था कि वेटिंग है, सारा मामला ही वेट का होता है यहाँ पे, ठीक है। तो इसमें मैंने वेट किया है। अब ये आप लोग देख सकते हो इसमें कि प्रीवियसली आपकी ये 1 कैंडल है और यहाँ पे ये 2 कैंडल है, रेंज, ठीक।
Hello Joyce, hello, how are you doing? So we are looking for sales on GBUSD and currently I'm only on the trade. Morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Live on your smart TV. That's nice, that's nice. Where are you guys calling from? Where are you guys calling from? Where are you guys calling from? Let me know where you're calling from. Let me know where you're calling from, guys. When I'm very well. Yes, currently I'm looking at this sell on GU because I've seen the previous day high have been collected and this is on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, okay. So we are looking at this currency pair GU, and I'm expecting this guy to drop. At least it should drop right to this level, around the 50% of this level, like, or maybe cover up all the news, right? Everything to the downside. I'm strongly bearish with GU this morning, and also I would like us to look at gold and have something to say about gold. Okay, before I go to gold, let me do in the comment section. Hello from Nigeria, Shah Amanda. Hey, busy, what's up? Joyce Ajay from Bonaberi. If you are in Douala, as from next week, you can come for our physical mentorship classes, boot camp. We have a boot camp that will be running throughout the whole week. So it will be advisable for you to come. Everything will be available. You will have the opportunity to meet other forex traders and network and grow. So use these 2 weeks to come. This is your opportunity to invest and come for the boot camp. Are you selling already? Of course, you can see I'm already in the trade, Mr. Kingsley. How can you enter the trade now? No, you cannot enter the trade now. It's already late. If there's a pullback, you can enter the pullback. It's already late. What gave you the signal to enter a sell? I mean the confirmation. Previous daily high has been 30 soup and we have a displacement back into the range. 30 soup was my confirmation. I was waiting for the previous high to be collected. When that previous day high, that was yesterday's high was collected and the market was back inside the range. I saw that huge displacement. Each displacement you see here, and then I took the sell. I know that for sure everything here is going to be my liquidity, and I'm expecting price to come right down and clear all of this liquidity before actually moving to the upside again. How do you get the confirmation? Because I know you were waiting for 1 hour. Anyways. No, I got, like I said, my confirmation came in from the one one day, 1 day. So how do you get confirmations? Okay, I've told you already, Mr. Good. So guys, let me know where you're coming calling from. And please, we'll be doing this live every day in our bootcamp community. So make sure you are in the bootcamp community. Make sure you are in the bootcamp community. If you are not in the bootcamp community, make sure you write on this WhatsApp number that you're seeing on the screen now, so I can add you to the bootcamp community where I'll be sharing this screen. And as from next week, I'll be going live too on I'll be going live all the time, maybe on YouTube. And make sure you subscribe because this live will be. If I don't share the link, you won't be able to get access to this live. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. So anytime I come live, you get the analysis. Most of you here missed this entry because you came in late. Most of you missed this entry because you came in late. So what if you subscribe and when I send in these signals, when I go live immediately, you get to know because I've been live and I was waiting for that turtle soup and imagine you missed. So make sure you go live, make sure you subscribe, and anytime I'm live, you get a notification, right? Make sure you get the notification. So if you're in the street, please send some emojis. And which currency pair would you like me to check out for? Which currency pair would you like me to check? Just let me know. Mr. Jerome, what's up? What's up, brother? What's up? Let's look at gold. Let's reanalyze gold together. And I'd like us to start on the 1 day time frame. And halt. I see you, my brother. Okay, somebody says check gold. Let's check gold. Let's check EU. So now we're on gold. Let's check on gold together. So we're on gold. We're on gold on the 1 day time frame. As we can see, gold. We're looking at the higher time frame. We're looking at the higher time frame. What you can clearly see is When you're looking at gold on the higher time frame, what you can see is we have this level right here, and price is giving us signs of, price came down to clear out this liquidity from here. This liquidity was collected, and we had that slightly break of structure to this upside here. And we've been seeing series of highs having formed. And there's something I always like to say: if you are bullish, wait for price to tap into an old low before you continue being bullish. So what we are seeing with gold now here is we are expecting gold to clear this move here, since we are having everything to be in a sense of an uptrend, right? So I'm gonna take this all out. I'll take this all out, and we focus on what we have in front of us for now. So we have this higher was collected, and we see this area here, which could be act like a draw on liquidity. And I'm going straight on the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame. If you miss the London section move, you just kindly wait for the New York section, right? Just kindly wait for the New York section. And please share the link. Share the link, guys. Share this link on your status, the one I sent you on WhatsApp. Just copy this live and share to your friends so they can join and learn too. So that's how we can all grow, right? Kindly share to your status. Everyone, please. Kindly share this link to your status, everyone. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. So let's analyze gold. Let's analyze gold. So this is gold on the 4 hours, and we have this fair value gap that the market opened yesterday, and the news came, the NFP that happened yesterday. And I want you to understand that the market might be kind of like slow today due to the fact that we have today's 4th of July. That the US is celebrating their independence. So, what the 4th of July is a very significant period in the American economy. So they will be celebrating their independence. So we expect some slow movement in the market today. So with today on gold, we are seeing that we are still looking bullishly in this market because NFP just slightly came, collected the liquidity that was sleeping here, ducked into an old low, and is pushing to the upside. So when it comes to gold, I am bullish on gold. So I'm gonna go straight on 1 day time frame. I'm going straight to the 1 day time frame. And on the 1 day time frame, what we are still looking out for is still the signs of bullishness. And we are seeing this guy, we had this huge displacement here. We have this huge displacement here, and we have price slightly tap into that fair value gap, and I think some signs of rejection. And so this whole area for me is going to act like an order block, right? Order block. So you should be expecting some, push to the upside. Price could retreat a little bit to the downside and push targeting that low. But today is Friday, and it is what it is. I have nothing like to say to give a conclusion, but this is the view I'm seeing for gold on the 1 hour time frame. Maybe this move might happen in New York session, but due to the economic activity that are happening today, low economic activity, we are seeing that we might have some slow movement in the market. So let's just rush quick and check on fundamentals. Let's just check on baby pips. Let's just check on the forex factory to see the fundamentals that we're expecting today. So today is Friday, and we have bank holiday, right? Bank holiday for all US. So you see, right, you have bank holiday for all US pairs. So expect some slow volatility in the market today. And then 7:30, which is we have like before the New York Open, we have some small light impact news and another light impact news on the US. So guys, really like expect nothing big today. Expect nothing big today, and a lot of traders will be having their eyes on BTC and other currency pairs that might not really be strong in the market. So this is the view I'm having for GU for gold, and you should check yours to see if we have the same view. And really quick, and I'm encouraging you all to let me just send my WhatsApp number. Let me just send my WhatsApp number, and if you are not in the bootcamp community, make sure you text me after this. You can save my WhatsApp number so you can get it updates too. Here, let me just share my WhatsApp number so you guys can get. I always get to me anytime. 784. 85944. That's my WhatsApp number, and I will just pin this on the message here. Get to me on WhatsApp if you have any problem, if you want mentorship, if you want guidance, you can get to me on that. Excuse me, please. Miss me. Please, I won't forget BTC. EU and you always move in the same direction. We trade at the same. Trade. Yes, I will do. I will do. So let's rush to check on you. You and you, they move the same. Remember, I sent this setup in the bootcamp community, of which I told you guys that see price close above here, it's definitely going to push right to the upside. So all of this move, I'm not really like strong with the other stuff, but to get my before you analyze anything concerning other that we are not fully actively trading today, you might be taking this on small positions, and London session, New York session will be slow. Let's look at DXY first of all. Let's just start first with the 1 week, right? On the 1 week. Let's start first with the 1 week. So on the 1 week, what are we seeing with the DXY? What can you say? I'd like to hear from you guys. When you look at DXY on the 1 week, what do you see? Tell me what you see when you look at DXY on the 1 week time frame. Tell me what you see. Let's have a conversation. We're in class, right? So we should be all. We should be active since we are in class. I forgot. Are you guys with me? When you look at DXY on the 1 week, what do you see? What do you see? I want to see the comments. I want to see the comments. Everybody comment. I want to see the comments. When you look at it's a bearish market. So we're live on YouTube. We're live on YouTube, and we have been 77 guests on the call doing live analysis. Okay, we're on a downtrend. We are on a downtrend. Nice. We are on a downtrend. So yeah. So on the downtrend, we are seeing that we had this structure here, right? The weekly structure had this structure here. We had this break here. We had this break here, and this is the high that tapped into this level. So there are high chances that this guy might continue pushing to the downside. But now we need to look left to see an area of interest whereby this guy could be coming to, which could be this level here. We have this low here. So looks like DXY will keep drawing to the downside. And okay, so we will have this new area here, these levels here, and we are seeing more bearishness. So if we are seeing this on the 1 day time here, and we had another candle bearishly closing here, interesting, right? We have this point of interest. So we had Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, our Friday. So Friday is closing within the range. So we are quickly going straight to the 1 hour time frame to now get a structure which we can rely on, and we can see that NFP gave dollar strong dollar. We had strong dollar with the news that came out yesterday, and we are still playing with the range. And all you can see here is you can see some momentum here giving us a bullish momentum. So on the 1 week, we are being bearish. On the 1 day, on the slower time frame, we are being bullish. So we are seeing series of higher highs and higher lows, and all the high, all the lows, sorry, all the lows are being respected. So we are looking at this area as be a point of interest. We're expecting more bullishness to come. That's why to buy. What are we going to expect on EU and GEO? For me, I'm expecting to have more bullish momentum to come up. So this right here could be my next draw on liquidity since we are being bullish to the upside, right? So I'm expecting the SY to push upside. So this is the view I have. And then I will rush now trade. Remember, we have a trade running on GU. We have a trade running on GU, and this is the trade that we're seeing profit. We're still in profit in this trade. So somebody was telling me to check on hey, on how far. Can you guys get me now? Can you guys get me now? Good, I just reconnected. I'm waiting for rejection. So you see, as I said, we expect price to the downside, and we are seeing that push to the downside. It to happen, and then we buy. BTC, I'm expecting to buy BTC too, but I'm waiting for price to get to a particular level first. About NAS 100, I have not analyzed, but we could analyze. Euro USD forming. All of this is just forming to take out traders. So we have our next drawn liquidity here on GU. Then this other one, and then this other one. So when you're trading, it's always good to know half areas whereby you're looking for possible reversals. You are seeing that rejection that is coming in from gold. I hope I've answered I've answered your question and everyone is good. Guys, I want to hear from you. Ask me a question. Let's do this. Gold, 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 gold. You see what's happening to gold? I said there's a huge liquidity sleeper on the downside. So this gold should drop right down here. Who's on sell some gold? Who's actually on gold now? Waiting for a view on BTC. I already shared my view on BTC, brother. What's my view on BTC? My view on BTC is this, brother. Let me take it to the 1 hour. I'm expecting to buy BTC around this level. BTC will sell. Okay, my view is that BTC is going to sell. This is the view I have. We have total soup here. We have total soup around that level. And then we have a small sweep below yesterday's low. So what I'm saying is BTC will sell. It will buy just a small bit and then it will sell. Mark your key levels. Previous day low, previous day high. All right. So this is yesterday's low. See the way price reacted on it, rejected massively. This is where you have entered your buy position, but I'm waiting for it to drop, go to a level, then I sell. This is where we have entered your buy opportunities on BTC. So you would have been on this buy around this level. Stop loss just slightly below here. And then you target this first pullback here. When price get up here now, it might give a conversion. If I see that, then my buy massive. So it should be here. But for me, this is too late to enter because this is on a 50-minute time frame. And this is a lot of pips on BTC already. So you might be asking me, how am I able to see this? Just understand key levels, which is this previous day low, and then you know that the next level is price to go to the next draw on liquidity. Can you give me a quick summary on time and price? When the session open, price will move. When the session open, price will move. When the session open, price will move. Just know when the session open. When the session open, price automatically reverse. Like you see here, this was the opening of the London session, right? This was the opening of the London session. When the session open, price will do what? Reverse. Just understand that one. So you that fighting. So today's bank holiday, I don't really expect more, but since it's bank holiday, all attention is going to the traders will be trading. Don't just rush now to buy. See, some drama will happen here. The drama is going to happen here, and price will do what? Likely reverse back here and then buy. So if I were you, and I'm looking for to enter BTC, I'll wait for price to come back to this other block. I'll wait for price to come back here and then I enter. So BTC can still come back to origin before moving to the upside. But having a stop loss here makes sense. 26 pips. This is 41 pips. And the whole target is 125 pips. I'm waiting for the buys on go. Yes. That's a good plan. But there could be liquidity sleeping here. So make sure you have a good confirmation. Price could still navigate, come down, collect everybody before going up. And this buy could happen next week, not actually today. So you gotta be careful. You have to be careful, guys. So wait for your confirmation if we have the entry. Wait for your confirmation. You don't see that change in the state of delivery, you don't see that strong pullback, do not force anything because it could likely reverse to a point where it might take you out. So wait to get that confirmation first. I'm waiting for the buys from the yes. Wait. No confirmation, no entry. Sweaty. Who's this? Guys, I'll leave you, and this is the view I was telling you guys. We should expect to gold is actually reacting on the level that we just plotted. So if we get a real confirmation change instead of the other level, we should go all in for the buy. But today is bank holiday, so expect very, very low volatility. I'll be ending the live stream here now. So make sure you text me on WhatsApp so I can add you on my bootcamp. And make sure you subscribe so whenever I come live, you get notified. So it's one big marathon. I will see you on the next one.